Hello, how are you? This is Mobile English, guys. This is our daily sentence. Okay? English here and Amharic there. Good morning. Good morning. Okay? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Okay? Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good night. Dana eder. Good night. Dana eder. Okay. Goodbye. Dana hun. Goodbye. Dana hun. Please. Kalna ebakken. Way ebakken ማለት ነው. Please. Okay. ቲትና ማለት ነው. Excuse me. ይቅርታ. Excuse me or sorry ማለትም ትችላላችሁ. ይቅርታ ማለት ነው. Excuse me. Pardon me. ያው ብዙ አለ ያው. ይሄንን ያዙት በደንብ. Excuse me ይቅርታ. What time is ለጓደኞቻችሁ ሼር አርጉ በደንብ እናንተ ደግሞ ትኩረት አርጉ ዳውንሎድ እንድታረጉ አርጌላችኋለሁ so today ምንድነው ስለ past tense ነው እዚህ ጋር ምናወራ she was ነበረች okay ነበረች ተማሪ ነበረች for example she was a student right so like that አረፍተ ነገር መስራት ብቻ ነው she went ሄደች she went ሄደች okay she had ነበራት she had ነበራት okay she had a car መኪና ነበራት እንደማለት ነው she slept ተኛች okay she slept ተኛች she caught ያዘች she caught she did አደረገች okay she wrote ጻፈች she wrote tota akam jirtu naga keessani waan kana kan duras dalageera guroma situman deebi'ee dalagaa months of the year jedha months of the year ji'oota waggaa months of the year yoo jenna months of the year okay January kana dubbise isaa akka sirrii bartaniif January amajji January asitti ji'a tokkoffaa jechuudha amajjiin ji'a shanaffaa Itoophiyaati January amajji jenna okay February yoo dubbisnu February jennaan jechu gurraan dhala jechu February gurraan dhala okay February gurraan dhala ji'a jaffaa keenya February ji'a lammaffaa biyya faranjiiti biyya Gregorian calendar okay March bitootessa March kan jennu yoo dubbisnu March jennaan bitootessaa jechuudha ji'a sadaffaa biyya kana